Cherdyakov regrets General.
And so the morning came. It so happened this was the day the general listened to petitions, and since there were 50 or 60 petitions ahead of Cherdyakov, he waited from morning till late afternoon.
Next. Next!
I'm not next, Your Excellency. I'm last.
Very well. Last!
That's me, sir.
Well, what is your petition?
I have no petition. I'm not a petitioner.
Then you waste my time.
Do you recognize me, sir? We met last night, under rather explosive circumstances. I am the splatterer.
And what?
The sneezer. The one who sneezed. The sneezing splatterer.
Indeed. And what is what you want? A Jusenheit?
No, Your Excellency. I just wanted to point out there was no political or antisocial motivation behind my sneeze. It was a non-partisan, non-violent act of God. I curse the day the protuberance formed itself on my face. It's a hateful nose, sir, and I'm not responsible for my indiscretions. Punish that which committed the crime, but absolve the innocent body behind it. Exile my nose, but forgive me, your kindship. Forgive me.
My dear young man, I'm not angry with your nose. I'm too busy to have time for your nasal problems. I suggest you to go home and take a hot bath. Or a cold one. Take something. But don't bother me with this silly business again. Giver, giver, giver. That's what I hear all day. Giver, giver, giver.
Thank you, sir. God bless you, and your wife, and your household. May your days be sweet, and may your nights be better than your days.
The feeling of relief that came over Cherdyakov was enormous.
May the birds sing in the morning at your window, and may the coffee in your cup be strong and hot.
The weight of the burden that was lifted was inestimable.
I worship the chair you sit on, and the uniform that sits on the chair I worship.
He walked home, singing and whistling like a lark. Life suddenly became a marvel, a joy, a heavenly paradise.
Oh God, I'm happy!
Thanks for watching!